Hey everybody, have you ever heard of a backpack that folds down into a small pouch that you can just carry in your hand? I haven't until now, and that's why I'm so excited to bring you this lightweight hiking backpack that can fold and be stored into a pouch. Yes, you heard that correctly. So let's get into the dimensions of this and the weight. In fact, let's start with the weight because you're looking at less than a pound. That's right. This is 0.56 pounds. It's very easy to carry. Now, when this is unfolded and at its maximum dimensions, you're looking at 15.5 by 9 by 3.5 inches. And then when it's folded down, you're looking at 7.5 by 6 inches. So you can easily pack it into your suitcase. You can pack it into another backpack or car, or simply unfold from your checked bags and use it as a carry-on for your excess baggage to avoid the overweight charge. I recently came across that issue at the airport where I could only carry on so much. And I wish I had had this at the time, because then I could just fold it down into the pouch and put it inside my carry-on and then unfold it when I get to my destination and use it on a hike. So that's one of the really innovative things about this. And when you unbox this, it comes with specific folding instructions, which will tell you how to fold the backpack down. You just unzip the inner pouch, you turn the small pocket inside out, flip the backpack over, then bend the sides of the middle inward, and you roll it up tightly, and then stuff it into that pouch, and then you're done. You can carry that on your finger. It's really amazing. Now, once you have this in a backpack form, you are looking at two different compartments. You have a main compartment that can actually store quite a bit, and then you have a smaller compartment if you wanted to store your phone or keys or tissues. There are also side pockets that you can put water bottles on. So this really is just like a small standard hiking backpack, but what makes it different, as I mentioned, is that it can be folded into a pouch. Really cool. It's also water resistant, it's tear resistant, and it's comfortable. I really like the mesh that's on the sides of it and on the inside of the straps. So it's going to feel comfortable on your shoulders and on your back. It's made with thickened water-resistant nylon material and high-quality SBS zipper, which is durable and not easy to tear. Don't be afraid of getting this wet, even if it rains when outdoors hiking, because that's what it's made for. So it's perfect for the outdoors, maybe a one-day hike, biking, traveling, camping, working, and shopping. And this is fit for both men and women and comes in a variety of colors. So I definitely give this one 2 thumbs up. I love seeing the products that are really thoughtful and innovative and things that you haven't thought of before. And that's what this is, a backpack that can fold into a pouch. Incredible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.